Welcome to my $100,000 stock experiment, Sell Rules, week 19. I'm sharing my stock journey as I practice and develop my sell rules. This isn't an endorsement to purchase any stocks that I've bought, nor is it an endorsement to purchase stocks in general. My focus is on sell rules. This needs daily attention, and it is not a buy and hold strategy. I sold two stocks during week 19, ISRG and LW. One of my sell rules is that a stock needs to be gaining at least 1% a week, or I sell it. ISRG was not meeting that requirement. Since July 20th, it was down over 1%, then it gained 0.5, it gained 0.7, and then the last week it was down 0.3. So this stock I need to sell. You can see on this 3-month chart where I bought the stock with the dashed green line and where I sold the stock with the dashed red line. I sold them when the 10-day and 25-day merged. Probably should have sold a little earlier, but this is where I sold it. I had held that stock for 9.6 weeks. I made $706 or 7.2%. I'm showing a 10-day chart because I wanted to take a little closer look at the price action here. The red arrow is where I identified needing to sell the stock. And even though I had identified as needing to sell it, when Monday came around, I did not sell. And Tuesday it was up. So again, I didn't sell. Then it went down. And then on Thursday, I finally did sell. And you can see it's pretty much, I didn't gain or lose anything by not selling at the beginning of the week, but it is difficult to sell, and that's why I'm practicing my sell rules. I also sold LW this week. I had held it for 5.8 weeks. I lost $548, a 5.5% loss. I identified it to sell when it crossed the 25-day moving average and actually hit the 50-day moving average. Each weekend when I review my stocks, if I have something to say about a stock, I take a screenshot and then I put comments on it. So over last weekend, I had put this comment that I wanted to sell LW at 70.58 or just dump it if it was down on 8/16, which was the Monday. And I put in a sell a few pennies above where it was trading, and then this stock just continued to drop. So at the end of the day, I just dumped it. The weekly holdings show that Funko and ATTU are my two losers this week. Funko is down 4.8%, but it was up 6.6% last week. And ATTU was up 5.6% last week and down 1.6% this week. I've only held those stocks for 2 weeks, so I'm going to go ahead and leave them in my portfolio. My bar chart shows that Tandem is still continuing to increase. It's almost up to $42,000, which is totally amazing. But it does skew the chart and make it a little more difficult to see the action on the other items. So I removed it from the chart so we could look at other stocks that are beginning to take off. PetQ had been going sideways, not really much price change for the first 5 weeks, and then it went up quite a bit, about 25% in 1 week. Amazing. And Omnicell is continuing to rise. AMED, we only have 2 weeks in, but it's up about 10%. And nothing else on this chart to me is of note. The benchmark is showing that in 19 weeks, I'm up $38,000, which is 38%. Totally amazing and on track to double my money in 1 year. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for my next episode, or better yet, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell if you want to get alerts when my new episodes come out.